What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video. Today, Jordan Brand's making it hard for me, man. I'm trying not to wear their shoes, but this one might go on the feet. And I say that every time I find a nice AJ. But when I finally put one on, I'm definitely going to let you know, like I've been saying. So yeah, this one is one of those special What The shoes. I love the What The shoes. I'm into the LeBron What Does. And I had the Jordan 4 Retro What The. This is a Jordan 5 Retro What The. But the materials on this I heard were crazy. Got it a little bit earlier than because I bought it from Europe. So let's get in the box and let's go. So yeah, this shoe consists of a few different Air Jordans. All right, it's supposed to be dropping here in the U.S. Very soon. Actually, I think tomorrow, November 12th. So I'm filming this on November 11th, and hopefully I'll have it up on the 12th. Yeah, it consists of, and I'm gonna go right to the phone for this because I don't know most of these shoes. A Jordan 5 Tokyo, a Jordan 5 Raging Bull, a Green Bean 5, an Army Olive 5, a Quai 54 5, among others. And then it has the logos from the Shanghai and Tokyo. I know both of those shoes, so I'm familiar with those logos. But yeah, like the AJ5 is one of those things. They retroed a lot of them this year and last year. And it's a shoe that I kind of dig. I kind of dig the way it looks. A lot of people like, they came out with the Fire Reds. I got a bunch of pairs of those. The top 3s this year. So they've been doing a lot of cool new things with the retros with those. So I'm inclined to think that it's a decent shoe from Air Jordan. I love the reflective tongue and all that. So let's get right into it. This bad boy came from End Clothing. Per usual, I might as well have paid resale, but actually I paid a little bit under resale, not necessarily because I wanted it early, but because I won a raffle. I tend to win raffles on overpriced shoes on their app. So either way, I'm actually considering keeping this one. So it is what it is when it comes to that. But overall, End Clothing ain't a bad deal if you actually win a raffle and end up paying a little bit over. So typical End Clothing box. It's a shoe box inside a shoe box. Go to endclothing.com. This video is not sponsored, but they are getting a lot of plugs here. So yeah, they're out in Europe. This came from the UK, I believe. So yeah, they overprice it and they charge you for shipping. All right, got the bear claw popping for the unboxing, and I cannot rip through this very, very heavy duty end tape. Whatever, rip it off regular. Oh yeah, so inside here we got, it's got the thing. There's my little invoice from End. And here's the box. Okay, drop you on the floor. Typical Air Jordan 5 box. Got a size 11 UK. Get that in the frame. Size 11 UK, which is size 12 US, I believe. I hope it is because that's my size. And yeah, let's take these bad boys out. Oh yeah, that's a nice looking shoe. Look at that. The shoelaces got pulled on here. Yeah, it's got a nice speckling on the paper here, which is neither here nor there for me, but whatever. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is a 12. It is a 12. It says right there on the regular tag. Alright, so getting into the shoes. Whew. These are fire, man. Look at that. This is nice. I like this. So I got stories. This upper, yes, it's the Tokyo upper, and the logo's dope right here. It says like 23. You can see kind of the 23 embroidered in there. Bel Air 5s, I believe, is that. It's got that orange on the tongue here, orange Jumpman right here, which is cool. That's on this shoe. Bottoms like neon, I believe that's on the Bel Air. I'm not sure. You know, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And a reflective tongue per Jordan 5. Got that Raging Bull upper right here with the Shanghai embroidered right there. Nice suede. These are two different materials actually. So this is more of a low cut suede, and this is more of a nubuck on the yellow shoe. The yellow shoe reminds me of the first Air Jordan I ever bought, the Michigan 5s that they retroed mid last year, I think. That was the first like hype shoe that I ever bought, and I ended up returning it because I think I'll link right here to my Jordan video, and I told them the shoe was too pretty. I had to, I didn't want to put it on my feet. It was, the materials it had this buttery suede. It was just a great shoe in my opinion. I held it up and it was about $220. That's the price point on this bad boy. But yeah, I had to return it. So yeah, there's the metallic 5s right here. Some of the metallic 5s, I'm familiar with those. Yeah, and the Bel Air inside. Oh, this shoe right here is pretty cool. Like, it's hard to wear. I definitely agree with that. And people have been saying that, for the price and wearability, it's not there. So that's why resale isn't so high. I pretty paid resale, like I said. So thinking back, I paid about $295. I'll put the exact number here, but that, again, my love-hate relationship with End Clothing goes there. It's like I enter every raffle that I can, won 4 or 5 times, which is cool. One time I got a shoe that I actually wanted, and every other time has been like, I got a Space Hippie 04, the Mocha Air Force Ones, which I did a video on. Oh yeah, where I really got burned from them is on the denim 3s that came out this year. I bought 2 pairs. I bought 2 pairs, both size 9.5 US, and they were overpriced like a mother effer. After all the fees and everything, about $250 shipped. So I'm still holding on to those to potentially sell, and I want to do a video on them, but they ended up dropping, and I just, I was kind of off the Air Jordan thing. It wasn't like one of those shoes that I was like, about hype doing a video on, so I just didn't do it. But yeah, I'm holding on to a bunch of those, so whatever. But yeah, these are just cool. I'm really impressed by the quality materials. It has a Jumpman on the back of both, which I think kind of turns off some people, but to me, whatever. It's still an Air Jordan. I look at the quality over the nostalgic part of it, and these are very high quality. Very few glue marks on this. They from the one I have here. So this is pretty much. This one's perfect almost. Damn. Yeah, this one's almost perfect. It's really nice. You could hardly see any glue. Usually with these, with Air Jordans, when they mass produce them, I think that this one, I don't think it's that limited. It's definitely more limited than some of them, but this one, I don't think it's that limited because a lot of the retailers are carrying them. So when it comes out here in the US, it's definitely going to sell out. Yeah, I'm really digging this shoe. I'm really digging it. I want to, not going to do it on foot. I never do on foots with Jordans, but they do fit true to size if you're going for that. Very wide base, a lot of room in the upper, so you can check that out. So it's wide foot friendly, so go true to size if you are interested. And yeah, it's just a work of art to me, man. Just a work of art, man. The guys who built these shoes and keep retroing them and all that. Got your Air Jordan on the tongue here, so when you flip it down, you see Air Jordan. It's backwards that way. Very, very unique design. And again, not very wearable. Excuse me, not very wearable, but fire nonetheless. And that's all I gotta say. Tell me what you think about the Air Jordan 5 in the comments. Again, another overpriced purchase, and not really regretting it, but it is what it is. And we're gonna go in depth about that. I'm gonna do this video before the end of the week. The Adapt Air Jordan 11. They did an Adapt version. I love the Adapt shoes. I love the basketball ones. I'm gonna do a little research on it. There's been a couple of video drops. I think Mookie Betts from the Dodgers baseball team had it in hand, was looking at it. But I know a lot about the tech, so I'll talk about that. I did a video with the Auto Adapt, which is Air Max that they came out with this past summer. Very dope shoe. It's in the box behind me. So there's Z right there. There's the auto adapt, and there's my adapt BBs. I have a couple of pairs of adapt BBs, but the ones I hoop in are behind me. And we'll talk more about that in that video, because technology is cool, and I'm really excited for the adapt BB3. The adapt BB2 was not my wave. I tried 2 different sizes on it. I balled in them a couple times. I could not do it, but we'll talk about it in the next video. Anyway, like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the Air Jordan What Does. This is just a quick little unboxing before they actually drop. So that's it. All right, peace. Everybody have a good one. Easy.